Guys, it's Fonzie with DipYourCar.com, world famous peelable auto paints. Now there's no question that the Performance Series gallons have become the DIY standard over the past several months since their release. I mean, you're saving time, you're saving money, and the finishes you can get with the Performance Series are just so much better than anything else in the past. But people have been asking over and over again, can you apply the DYC top coats, specifically the Glossy TopCoat, on top of the Performance Series colors in order to get higher sheen, more clarity, and more of a pop? We're going to answer that for you today. Now, there are some pros and cons with this process, but let's do the project first and talk about the results after. Enjoy the video. Guys, we finished up with the car, but before we go outside and check it out, we have to have a discussion about the process of putting Glossy DipPearl TopCoat over the Performance Series gallons. I know there's a lot of people out there that want a glossier finish, that want that higher clarity, but you need to be aware of the trade-offs here, the pros and cons, before you spend your money. I don't want any DIY customers out there buying something that they see on a video and then not getting the end result that they want. There's pros and cons here. The pros of using the Glossy DipPearl TopCoat is, yes, you're going to have a higher sheen and higher clarity, and that's going to help the colors pop more, especially with the metallics. But the cons are, you need to be 100% confident in your ability to spray Glossy DipPearl TopCoat, which can be tricky because there's no way anybody, including myself, can spray Glossy DipPearl TopCoat as flat and as smooth as the Performance Series. It's just not going to happen. On top of that, the Glossy DipPearl TopCoat has a much stickier, grippier surface feel to it, whereas the Performance Series gallons feel much slicker and drier to the touch. So if you are an advanced user and you are 100% confident in your ability to spray and lay down the Glossy DipPearl TopCoat, by all means, go for it, enjoy the higher clarity. But for the regular DIY customer out there, you're going to save a ton of money, a ton of time, and I promise you, you're going to get a better end result and be happier with the finish of your car if you just spray the Performance Series as they are. If you want to spray Performance Series on your car, click right up here. It'll bring you to the Performance Series car kits. They include everything you need, and we have a ton of colors to choose from. If you decide to add 1 or 2 gallons of DipPearl TopCoat on top of that, by all means, have fun with it. If you have any questions at all about the process, email us CustomerService@DipYourCar.com. Chat with us on the website or call in and speak to somebody. It's Fonzie. Let's go outside, check out the end result. I'll see you on the next video.